All right, this is text 3. Let's continue. Question number 1 is a question that asks you actually a result, because we have in order to here, and after in order to we have an aim, and aims can be thought as results of something. So if you look at the meaning of this word, you see it here. By doing so, they aim. So we kind of find the place of the answer, but let's check the meaning as well. The question talks about protecting culture against threats, and these words are here. Therefore, the answer is B. Yes, in this question, again, we have this and some other nouns here. So, when you place this sentence, you must make sure that there is something in the previous sentence that refers to this perspective here. So as you see here, we have a perspective given, and also we have the words core and periphery, first time used, introduced here, and used, explained here. Therefore, we can put this sentence here. Yes, Herbert Schiller, the name is here, so just go and find what he says. He says, in reality, both information and technology are controlled by a wealthy elite. So wealthy means rich. So they have control over info and techno. That is the answer. Here you need to find what the opponents of the theory of cultural imperialism say. If you look at the text, here you have them, and also here, and at this point you see the word argue. So they argue that, which means according to them. Therefore, in this part, you can find the answer. It's here. Right? Okay. Question number 5. We're going to look for an idea which tells us that some critics do not believe to this idea, and the reason of it, why they don't believe it. We have some clues here. Internet has no central authority, so individuals probably play a role, and it is also multi-directionally transmitted, and on the contrary, internet allows individuals to participate using their own language, unlike cultural imperialism. So you can find the answer in this line by reading those places I showed you. Number 6, on the other hand, is an inference question, which means that you may not find the synonyms or the exact same words in the text with the answer, so you need to comment on the sentences given in the options. So when you look at when you look at option C, it's about equality. We understand that from the last line, the internet does not promote cultural imperialism. In fact, it promotes multiculturalism, so which is ideally something more equal, and everybody, individuals, celebrate their own culture, use their own language, so it's equal, let's say. Therefore, we can infer this, okay? We can understand this. It's not stated clearly or exactly in the paragraph, but it can be understood. And okay, you have seen this. So question number 7 is about the writer's attitude. Well, the answer is B. How do we understand this? Well, when someone is objective about a topic, he or she gives both opinions on the topic. I mean, advantages and disadvantages, ideas for the topic or ideas against the topic, and he or she does not make any comments. He or she just tells them or writes them, okay? When there is no comment made by the author, it means he is being objective. So that's why the answer is B. Thank you for listening. I hope I was helpful. Goodbye.